How to use AI to improve customer experience. In today's world, providing a great customer experience is essential for businesses to succeed. And AI can play a key role in improving that experience. AI is helping us to provide faster, more personalized service to our customers. We're able to analyze data from previous interactions and anticipate customer needs before they even reach out to us. Through natural language processing and machine learning, AI chatbots can engage with customers in a conversational manner, providing instant answers and support. AI can also help us personalize our marketing efforts, from email campaigns to website content. By analyzing customer data, we can provide targeted and relevant messaging that resonates with our audience. Through recommendation engines, AI can also help businesses suggest products or services that customers are more likely to be interested in, based on their browsing or purchase history. It's important to remember that AI is not a replacement for human interaction. It's a tool that can augment and enhance the customer experience. By leveraging AI, we can free up our employees to focus on more complex and high-value tasks, while still providing excellent service to our customers. By using AI to improve the customer experience, businesses can create happier customers, drive loyalty, and ultimately increase revenue. How to use AI to improve customer experience.